building up from the foundation. So another, again, analogy is this. Would you rather have a tower that is very narrow and easy to blow over, or would you rather have a building that's wide with a heavy base that isn't going to get blown over? If you only identify one AR, so let's use me for example. I'm going to bring Scott back. So Scott, you and I are talking about business development, and you say to me, my biggest challenge is I don't really have a business development plan. I don't have anything in writing. And I go, okay, anything else? You go, no, that's it. That's really my big problem. I go, okay, let's talk about that. And I start asking you questions about that. Yes?
Right.
I only have one problem, and let's say it doesn't go to a compelling reason. It's just something he can find in a book, or he can craft it somewhere, and that's the solution. Is he going to invest in this program?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. Okay. Think about it from your standpoint, Scott. If I've got one IP challenge, and it isn't a really big one, it's one that you could probably handle in a 30-minute conversation. Is that going to be a good client for you?
Solve it in 30 I know minutes. The answer you want me to say, but it could be, because it could lead into other things.
But yes, it could. But you guys get the idea that just by sitting in the mud with somebody and asking more questions, the opportunity to get a list of challenges goes up exponentially. Okay. Right. So if I'm doing if I've got a construction issue, Steve, okay, and you know that if I've got one issue, I probably have 3 or 4, right? You need to get those 3 or 4 out of me. Why is that better than one?
You can, because I can help you fix all of them rather than just one, and then you'll see that that's a value add, and hopefully lock in the engagement and lock in a relationship that develops.